Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you about how you can change your age in Epic Games. So in order to change our age, then we need to do the following thing. So first of all, open up your Epic Games, and when you're in your Epic Games, you should go ahead and click on your profile right here. Now go ahead and click on account, and now on Google, that should open up a new tab here. You will need to log into your Epic Games account, and then you should have this information now. Here you can change a lot of different things, but where we need to go is do parental controls. Now imperative controls, you need to type in your PIN. So this is the PIN that you created. If you forgot your PIN, then you can click on forgot your PIN, and then you can reset it that way. So login, confirm, and now you're in the parental controls. So if you scroll down, then you should see this right here. And this is what kind of age related content you can see. So if you click on everyone, that would be sort of kids, and everyone 10 plus, that's 10 years or older. Teen would be like 12 to 16, something around that. Mature would be, I would say, 18 years old. Adult only would be more like 20, 30. It would be everything. Now, you can also change the rating system, and then here you can see what kind of games you will be allowing. Now, if you would like to change your birthday, on the other hand, there is no single option to do this. Now, if you would like to change your birthday, there is no option currently that you can change this. You could ask support about this. On the Epic Game side, I have read that only way to change your birthday is to when you sign up with an account. Then it's the only time to get your birthday. So if you like to change that, then you would need to delete your Epic Games account and create a new one. What you could do is click on new, help right here, and then create a ticket on their support. That's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If it was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.